I have a pen.
I have a pen.
You have a new car.
You have a new car.
We have completed our homework.
We have completed our homework.
They have visited that place before.
They have visited that place before.
I have a lot of experience.
I have a lot of experience.
You have eaten breakfast.
You have eaten breakfast.
We have a beautiful dress.
We have a beautiful dress.
They have a big house.
They have a big house.
I have seen this movie.
I have seen this movie.
You have a meeting today.
You have a meeting today.
We have a lot of work to do.
We have a lot of work to do.
They have a great idea.
They have a great idea.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
You have a nice voice.
You have a nice voice.
We have enough time.
We have enough time.
They have a pet dog.
They have a pet dog.
I have a question.
I have a question.
You have a good memory.
You have a good memory.
We have a lot of friends.
We have a lot of friends.
They have a new phone.
They have a new phone.
I have a plan.
I have a plan.
You have a bright future.
You have a bright future.
We have a test tomorrow.
We have a test tomorrow.
They have a lot of energy.
They have a lot of energy.
I have a dream.
I have a dream.
I do not have a pen.
I do not have a pen.
You do not have a new car.
You do not have a new car.
We do not have completed our homework.
We do not have completed our homework.
They do not have visited that place before.
They do not have visited that place before.
I do not have a lot of experience.
I do not have a lot of experience.
You do not have eaten breakfast.
You do not have eaten breakfast.
We do not have a beautiful dress.
We do not have a beautiful dress.
They do not have a big house.
They do not have a big house.
I do not have seen this movie.
I do not have seen this movie.
You do not have a meeting today.
You do not have a meeting today.
We do not have a lot of work to do.
We do not have a lot of work to do.
They do not have a great idea.
They do not have a great idea.
I do not have a headache.
I do not have a headache.
You do not have a nice voice.
You do not have a nice voice.
We do not have enough time.
We do not have enough time.
They do not have a pet dog.
They do not have a pet dog.
I do not have a question.
I do not have a question.
You do not have a good memory.
You do not have a good memory.
We do not have a lot of friends.
We do not have a lot of friends.
They do not have a new phone.
They do not have a new phone.
I do not have a plan.
I do not have a plan.
You do not have a bright future.
You do not have a bright future.
We do not have a test tomorrow.
We do not have a test tomorrow.
They do not have a lot of energy.
They do not have a lot of energy.
I do not have a dream.
I do not have a dream.
Do I have a pen?
Do I have a pen?
Do you have a new car?
Do you have a new car?
Do we have completed our homework?
Do we have completed our homework?
Do they have visited that place before?
Do they have visited that place before?
Do I have a lot of experience?
Do I have a lot of experience?
Do you have eaten breakfast?
Do you have eaten breakfast?
Do we have a beautiful dress?
Do we have a beautiful dress?
Do they have a big house?
Do they have a big house?
Do I have seen this movie?
Do I have seen this movie?
Do you have a meeting today?
Do you have a meeting today?
Do we have a lot of work to do?
Do we have a lot of work to do?
Do they have a great idea?
Do they have a great idea?
Do I have a headache?
Do I have a headache?
Do you have a nice voice?
Do you have a nice voice?
Do we have enough time?
Do we have enough time?
Do they have a pet dog?
Do they have a pet dog?
Do I have a question?
Do I have a question?
Do you have a good memory?
Do you have a good memory?
Do we have a lot of friends?
Do we have a lot of friends?
Do they have a new phone?
Do they have a new phone?
Do I have a plan?
Do I have a plan?
Do you have a bright future?
Do you have a bright future?
Do we have a test tomorrow?
Do we have a test tomorrow?
Do they have a lot of energy?
Do they have a lot of energy?
Do I have a dream?
Do I have a dream?
Do I not have a pen?
Do I not have a pen?
Do you not have a new car?
Do you not have a new car?
Do we not have completed our homework?
Do we not have completed our homework?
Do they not have visited that place before?
Do they not have visited that place before?
Do I not have a lot of experience?
Do I not have a lot of experience?
Do you not have eaten breakfast?
Do you not have eaten breakfast?
Do we not have a beautiful dress?
Do we not have a beautiful dress?
Do they not have a big house?
Do they not have a big house?
Do I not have seen this movie?
Do I not have seen this movie?
Do you not have a meeting today?
Do you not have a meeting today?
Do we not have a lot of work to do?
Do we not have a lot of work to do?
Do they not have a great idea?
Do they not have a great idea?
Do I not have a headache?
Do I not have a headache?
Do you not have a nice voice?
Do you not have a nice voice?
Do we not have enough time?
Do we not have enough time?
Do they not have a pet dog?
Do they not have a pet dog?
Do I not have a question?
Do I not have a question?
Do you not have a good memory?
Do you not have a good memory?
Do we not have a lot of friends?
Do we not have a lot of friends?
Do they not have a new phone?
Do they not have a new phone?
Do I not have a plan?
Do I not have a plan?
Do you not have a bright future?
Do you not have a bright future?
Do we not have a test tomorrow?
Do we not have a test tomorrow?
Do they not have a lot of energy?
Do they not have a lot of energy?
Do I not have a dream?
Do I not have a dream?